Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at Walgreens to show you guys a couple of deals, and then at the end of the video I'll show you guys what I did. So my plan is to do a total of 4 transactions. So let's see what happens at Walgreens. There's really not much going on this week, but there are some really okay deals. So let's jump into Walgreens, and the first deal is going to be on the Oral-B toothbrushes. They're on a promotion for buy 2 get a $4 register reward, and they're on sale 2 for $8. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping, making the total $5. Then you're going to submit $2 of an IBOTTA rebate for the Oral-B toothbrushes, making it free plus a $1 Moneymaker after the $4 register reward and the $2 from IBOTTA. So really good deal on the Oral-B toothbrushes this week. The next deal is going to be on select Colgate Total or Colgate Optic White. They're on a promotion this week for buy 2 get 4,000 points. And they're also on sale this week for $2.99. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.98. You can use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons from our 2.9 Smart Source, making the total $3.98, but you're going to get back 4,000 points, which is equivalent to $4. So it works out to be free after points. The next deal is going to be on the Almay wipes. So that is the wrong sign that you guys see there, but they're buy 2 get a $5 register reward, just like they were last week. They're on sale 2 for $10. You can use a 3 off of 2 coupon from our 2.9 Smart Source, making the total $7, but you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So it works out to $2 for both of them, or $1 each after you receive that $5 in register rewards. All Lysol products are on a promotion this week for buy 1 get 1 free. You're going to pick up 2 of the Lysol wipes. One of them is going to be $3.99. One of them is going to be free. You can use 1 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from our 2.2 Smart Source. Remember guys, those coupons are a limit of 2, but we cannot use a coupon on a free item at Walgreens. So the total works out to $3.49 or $1.74 each. PICS this week is on sale for $1.99. You can use a $1 digital coupon in our Walgreens app digital coupons, making the total 99 cents. And included in this is going to be the liquid or the pods or the PICS crystals. Scott toilet paper and paper towels are on a promotion this week for buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you're going to pick up 1 of the toilet paper for $5, or you can get 2 toilet papers if you like, and you're going to pick up another product for $2.50. You're going to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from scottbrand.com. We have a 50-cent off 1 for the toilet paper and a 50-cent off 1 for the paper towels. The total works out to $6.50 or $3.25 each. And also make sure you submit the fetch rewards for 500 points when you buy 1 of the toilet paper and 1 of the paper towels. Select Kellogg's cereal are on sale this week for $1.99. You're going to pick up 3 of them for $5.97. You're going to use a $1 off 3 digital coupons, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping, making the total $4.97 or $1.65 each. Now I'm going to show you guys my deals and what I did, and also the receipt at the end. Okay guys, so I'm back from Walgreens and I did a total of 6 different transactions. So it's basically turning points into register rewards, turning register rewards into points. So I used 2 different accounts for this. I use the account is like the debt account that I only have like 6,000 points in, to take advantage of the Colgate deal as well as the Oral-B toothbrushes, so I can get the $4 in register rewards. So I had a total of 6,000 points. I was going to do the Oral-B deal first, but I decided to do the Colgate deal, use those points to get points back, and then do the Oral-B deal where I get a register reward. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so for the first transaction, I picked up the Colgate Total. Again, they're buy 2 get 4,000 points, and they're on sale for $2.99. So I picked up 2 of them for $5.98. I used 2 of those $1 off coupons, making the total $3.98, and I had a tax of 42 cents. So the total works out to $4.40. I used 4,000 points to pay for this, making my total 40 cents, and that's including the tax. And I got back 4,000 points. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt, and then I'll go on to the second transaction. So there goes the Colgate total. They both were on sale for $2.99. I used 2 of those dollar off coupons, making it $3.98 and a tax of 42 cents, making it $4.40. I rolled 4,000 points into this, making my total 40 cents. I started with 6,920 points on this card. I used 4,000 points and got back 4,000 points. And I ended with 69.30. So I wanted those points to do my Oral-B deal. So, second transaction, Oral-B toothbrushes. They're on a promotion for buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So I picked up these 2 right here. So they're on sale this week too for $8. I used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, making the total $5. And I had a tax of 56 cents, making it $5.56. I rolled 5,000 points into this, making the total 56 cents. But I got back a $4 register reward. And you're also going to submit an IBOTTA rebate. So when you submit that IBOTTA rebate, you get back $2 for the IBOTTA rebate, making it free plus a $1 moneymaker because we get back $4 in register rewards. We paid $5 and we get back $2 with that IBOTTA rebate. So really good deal there. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt really quickly. So there goes the Oral-B toothbrushes, $4 each. Use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, making it $5, and I had a tax of 56 cents, making it $5.56. I rolled 5,000 points into this, and there goes the points on the bottom. Started with 6,930 points. Rolled 5,000 points into this. Now I'm ending with 1960. So that's a dead card there. I will build it up as time goes by, but I usually have that card if we have like some good digital coupons that I want to take advantage of some of the deals. So I'll probably do a deal on that card this week just to boost up the points a little bit. But on my main card, which is going to be this third transaction right here, turned out to be super well. So at Walgreens, a lot of people are receiving the 5 off of 10 coupon, the 5 off of 15 coupon as well in the app. I didn't receive any of those coupons, but I still try to make Walgreens work this week. So if you guys didn't get those coupons, you can still take advantage of some great deals at Walgreens this week. So third transaction, I picked up the Scott toilet paper and paper towels, 4 of the Colgate total, 2 Oral-B toothbrushes. So here goes the breakdown for that. $5 for the Scott paper towel, $2.50 because they're buy one, get one 50% off. For the toilet paper, Colgate totals on sale for $2.99. So I picked up 4 of them at $2.99. And there goes the Oral-B toothbrushes for $4. Now this is a different card. And on this card, I had a 3 off of 2 for the toothbrushes as well. So my total worked out to $27.46. I used 4 of the dollar off coupons from our 2.9 Smart Source for the Colgate total. I used a 50-cent off coupon for the Scott toilet paper and the 50-cent coupon for the Scott paper towel from scottbrand.com. And I had that 3 off of 2 Oral-B digital coupon. So my total was $19.46, and I had a tax of $1.92, making the total $21.38. I rolled 20,000 points into this, making the total $1.38, but you're going to get back 8,000 points for the Colgate and a $4 register reward for the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt. So there goes the Scott products on the top, $5, $2.50. Colgate total, $11.96 because I picked up 4 of them at $2.99 each. There goes the Oral-B toothbrushes, 2 for $8. There goes all my coupons there. So there goes the 4 $1 off coupons, the 2 50-cent off coupons that I have for the Scott toilet paper and paper towels, and that 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. My total was $19.46. I had a tax of $1.92, making the total $21.38. I rolled 20,000 points into this, making it $1.38. And as I go down here, I started with 39,581 points, and I got back 8,000 points for the Colgate. So every 2 that you buy, you get 4,000 points. So if you buy 4 in one transaction, you'll get back 8,000 points. I used 20,000 points to pay for this. Now my closing balance is 27,651. Now for my 4th transaction, and I got back the $4 register reward for the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now, for the Oral-B toothbrushes register rewards, I basically rolled them into my Almay deals. And Almay this week, again, is buy two, get a $5 register reward. And they're on sale 2 for $10. So I picked up these two right here. Let's look at the fourth transaction. I'm rolling that $4 in register rewards that I got back from my second transaction with the Oral-B toothbrushes. So Almay this week, buy two, get a $5 register reward. And they're on sale 2 for $10. You're going to use that 3 off of 2 coupon from our 2.9 Smart Source. We also have a digital coupon for 3 off of 2 if you wanted to use that one. Let's say you didn't get the insert 3 off of 2 coupon or you started this week. So the total works out to $7, and I had a tax of 70 cents, making the total $7.70. I used that $4 in register rewards. I did not need a filler item because I used 2 coupons, the register reward as well as the 3 off of 2. So that counts as 2 manufacturer's coupons. And remember, a coupon has to attach to each item at Walgreens. So the total worked out to $3.70. I rolled 3,000 points into this, making the total 70 cents, but I got back a $5 register reward. And that $5 in register rewards, I rolled into my 5th transaction. So let me show you my receipt for the 4th transaction. There goes the Almay. She had to price modify the price because they're 2 for $10. And on the shelf it shows $5.99. It actually had the sale price from last week. So 2 for $10, buy 2, get 5. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon, that $4 register reward, subtotal of $3, tax of 70 cents, making the total $3.70. I used 3,000 points to pay for this, making my total 70 cents. I started with 27,651 points. I'm ending with 24,721 points. Now moving along to my 5th transaction. So for my 5th transaction, I picked up the cereal, the Lysol wipes, the Dawn dish soap, and the Purex. So this is going to be everything right here. I'm rolling my $5 register reward that I got back from the Almay into this transaction. So the Lysol this week, buy one, get one free. I picked up one at $3.99. The second one became free. The Dawn dish soap is on sale this week for 99 cents. I bought 3 of the Kellogg's on sale for $1.99. And I bought 1 of the Purex on sale this week for $1.99. So the total worked out to $12.94. I used a 50-cent off coupon for the Lysol in our 2.2 Smart Source. I used that $1 off 3 Kellogg's digital coupon and the $1 off Purex digital coupon. I rolled a $5 register reward into this. I did not need a filler item because I only was using 3 coupons and I had a total of 3, 5, 6, 7 items. So there's no need for a filler item in order to use that $5 in register rewards. So my total worked out to $5.44. I rolled 5,000 points into this, making the total 44 cents, and I had a tax of 49 cents. So my total for this transaction is going to be 93 cents. So for my last transaction, I wanted to end with a register reward. So I used that $4 in register rewards that I got back from the Oral-B toothbrushes in my 3rd transaction, and I rolled it into my last transaction. So I think, all right, so I showed you the receipt for that one. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay, let me show you the receipt for my 5th transaction, and then we're going to move on to the last transaction. So there goes the Lysol wipes, $3.99, 1 of them free. The Dawn dish soap for 99 cents. The Kellogg's, $5.97 for 3 boxes. And the Purex was $1.99. Use that 50-cent off coupon for the Lysol. Digital coupon for the Purex laundry detergent. $1 off 3 for the Kellogg's and $5 in register rewards. $5.44. I had a tax of 49 cents, making it $5.93. I rolled 5,000 points into this, which is equivalent to $5, and my total was 93 cents out of pocket. And my opening balance for points was 24,721. I rolled 5,000 points into this. Now I'm ending with 19,791 points. Now, the last transaction is really easy and simple. It's going to be on the Almay wipes right here. So, I just picked up 2 more of the Almay wipes on sale, 2 for $10. And when you buy 2 this week, you get a $5 register reward. I use that 3 off of 2 coupon from our 2.9 Smart Source. making the total $7. And I had a tax of 70 cents, making the total $7.70. I rolled that $4 in registered rewards that I got back from the third transaction from the Oral-B toothbrushes there. And the total works out to $3.70 after that $4 registered reward. I rolled 3,000 points into this, making my total 70 cents. And I got back a $5 registered reward. So for everything here, it came out to a bit, I think about $4.96, and that's including my tax. So I got all these items this week for $4.96, roughly around there. It's like 4 something. So really good deals if you guys have some points. Change those points into register rewards. Change those register rewards into points. So here goes the last receipt. There goes the Almay, $5, $5. They price modified it. 3 off of 2. $4 register reward. $3.70. Rolled 3,000 points into this, making it 70 cents. Started with 19,791 points. Redeemed 3,000 points for this. Ending with 16,861 points. And I'm ending with a $5 register reward. So I'm starting next week with 16,861 points and a $5 register reward. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.